So the first thing I did was I input the function that is given into my y1 on my calculator. Anytime I see decimals like this, I'm assuming it's a calculator problem, and it is. Find the number of pretzels that must be sold to maximize the profit. So just like that game we played in class, the quiz is, what are you looking for here? You've got a function. You know that the function, if you were to graph it, it's quadratic. We can see that the leading coefficient is negative, so we know somehow it's got a maximum value, and we're being asked to find the number of pretzels that must be sold to maximize the profit. So this is the profit function, the profit that a vendor makes per day. So you have the y values are all the profit, and the x values are the number of pretzels that are sold to realize that profit. That's what it says, selling x pretzels. So somehow along the way, we've got x here and we've got profit as a function of x. And all we have to do is figure out what's the x coordinate, what's that guy, what's that x coordinate, that maximum, that magical number there of pretzels to sell, or to make, sell, to maximize profit. So that's what we're looking for. So we just have to figure out, well, where is this graph? Where's the vertex? And let's hit window here, and let's adjust the viewing window to make sense. You can't sell less than 0 pretzels. We don't know how many pretzels we're going to sell, but I don't know, sometimes these are like 5,000. Maybe that's too much. Y min, the profit, I guess we could have a negative number, but I'm assuming if we were to just type in 100 pretzels that we'd get a certain number. I don't know, I really don't know what to put for the y min or the max. So I'm just going to put in, I don't know, 1,000. Let's see, x res 3, let's see. Oh, okay, so we at least found our parabola. Now we know that we're not going to be selling that many pretzels, but let's see, what does 200 do? Okay, that didn't do it either. Let's try 1,000. Okay, so that's a little bit better, and we're not going to make that much profit, so maybe $400 profit. So at least we have kind of a better picture. And we could always just trace the graph also and just kind of see where we're at. Oh, it looks like we're going to sell somewhere in the neighborhood of 400 pretzels, and we're going to make a profit of 289, 290, something like that, 300, somewhere around there. But we can easily second trace maximum. Left bound, just move the cursor to the left. Right bound, move the cursor to the right. Move the cursor back up for the guess, and we can see that the x value is 400, rounded to the nearest 3 digits, and the y value is 290. So if I were showing the work for this, which I have to show in order for me to get full credit, I would show the vertex at 400, 290. And the vertex has meaning now because it's a word problem. X pretzels, that's the number of pretzels, and the y is the profit. So that's the profit. That's the number of pretzels. And what am I trying to find? Find the number of pretzels that must be sold to maximize the profit. So therefore, 400 pretzels must be sold in order to maximize the profit. And that's it.